So am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Student, I'm having low internet connectivity. Better you give your attendance. Okay, we are continuing the lecture, but let us take attendance first. Civil students. Civil students. Mechanical students. Okay, so now let us come to the question number 1. Any question regarding first question? Is anyone having any question, any doubt in question 1?
No, sir.
Okay. In second question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, very good. In third number question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. And in 4 number question?
No, sir.
Okay, so as fast as possible, capture first, second question, take a note of it. Capture third and 4 number questions, take a note of it. Okay. Now our second number test. So it is convergence of geometric series. Convergence of geometric series. Yes.
સર આમાં એક ડાઉટ છે મને.
Yes.
જેમ કે એક આપણી આગળ એક કન્વર્જન્સ આવી જાય ચેક કરવા માટે 1/1 પ્લસ -1 રેઝ ટુ n.
Okay.
તો સર હમણાં સુધી તો આપણે કોન્સ્ટન્ટ ટર્મ હતી એટલે એની માથે ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ આવતું હતું એટલે આપણે એને ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ ગણી દીધું. તો અહીંયા -1 ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ છે તો એ તો પોઝિટિવ થાય નેગેટિવ થાય.
So this test will not be applicable. Some other test we need to apply. ये टेस्ट अप्लाई नहीं होगा और कोई और टेस्ट हम अप्लाई करेंगे.
ओके सर.
So in a sequence, this is a second test. ऐसे ही I will discuss few more. ये second, third होगा integral, fourth होगा comparison, fifth होगा ratio, sixth is nth root, seventh is Leibniz, 8 number is power. So we will see 7, 8, 9 number of test. Okay, similarly.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is a convergence of geometric series. We may not be able to complete within this lecture, so we will continue in the next class. If we won't be able to complete, अगर खत्म नहीं कर पाए तो next class में continue करेंगे. Okay. This is x axis, this is y axis. Chalo, what is geometric series first of all? Who will answer what is geometric series?
The difference between two elements is 1/r something.
Okay. What about other students?
સર ઓલો r plus ar square plus r cube ને એવું આવતું ઈ છે ને.
Yeah, very good, very good. That if a ratio, that is called ratio, बिहार के स्टूडेंट, that is गुणोत्तर. वो 1/, आप लिखते हैं ना, that is ratio.
Yes, sir.
And that ratio is denoted by small r. उसको small r से denote करेंगे. So if ratio of two consecutive terms, कंसेक्यूटिव मतलब एक के बाद एक आने वाला टर्म, एक के बाद एक आने वाला टर्म, दैट इज कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म, इज द सेम. ओके, रेशियो ऑफ टू कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म इज सेम. समझो क्या बात हुई? दैट सपोज वी हैव 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and so on. Chalo, 64 divided by 32, 32 divided by 16, 16 divided by 8, 8 by 4, 4 by 2. ये सब क्या मिलेगा? is equals to 2.
2.
And that 2 is equals to R. R is रेशियो, क्योंकि हमने डिवीजन लिया, देखो सब जगह पे डिवीजन लिया, सो इट इज रेशियो. सो दिस इज इन जियोमेट्रिक. ये सब एलिमेंट, ये सीरीज जियोमेट्रिक सीरीज है. इफ आई राइट 1, okay, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 and so on. So 4 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4. Ratio R is equals to 1. सबका रेशियो बनेगा 1. So this is a geometric series. So is it clear with geometric series? Geometric.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now you will consider R. आप R को consider करेंगे. Suppose this is -1. Suppose this is 1. अगर रेशियो R का वैल्यू -1 और 1 के बीच में है, मतलब यहां से स्टार्ट करके यहां तक, इन बिटवीन -1 and 1, देन सीरीज इज कन्वर्जेंट. तो आप सीरीज को बोल दो कन्वर्जेंट. सीरीज कन्वर्जेंट हो जाएगा. अगर R का वैल्यू 1 और मोर देन 1 है, if R is 1 or more than 1, then series is divergent. तो आप बोल देंगे that series is divergent. If R is between -1 and 1, convergent. If it is greater than or equals to 1, divergent. Okay. We will discuss geometric series in the next class. Today itself at 3:30. आज ही डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. So this is it for this class. I am ending the lecture. I am ending the meeting. We will meet at 3:30. Okay. Chalo. Good day, everyone.
Thank you, sir.